Hello everyone, welcome to my channel hdorionn. We are studying accountancy for class 12 from T.S. Grewal's textbook 2023 edition, Accounting for Partnership Firms, Chapter 2, Goodwill, Nature and Valuation. And in this video we will study calculation of goodwill by capitalization of super profit. So let us see some questions from the textbook. So let us see question number 32. Average profit of a firm during the last few years is rupees 1,50,000. In similar business, the normal rate of return is 10% of the capital employed. Calculate the value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit method if super profit of the firm are rupees 50,000. Now in this question, super profit is already given in the question. We just have to apply a little small formula to calculate goodwill. Let us see how. So solution 32, super profit is given to us. Super profit is of rupees 50,000. Rupees 50,000. And normal rate of return in similar business is 10%. Now with this much information only we can calculate goodwill. So goodwill is equal to, when we capitalize super profit, it is super profit into 100 divided by rate. This is the rate. So this is the formula which we have to use for capitalization of super profit. So here when we apply this, super profit is 50,000 and 100 divided by 10. So value of goodwill for the firm is rupees 5 lakh. This is the answer. It is very simple. You can even solve it orally. Now let us see question number 33. Raja Brothers earned an average profit of rupees 30,000 with a capital of rupees 2 lakh. The normal rate of return in the business is 10%. Using capitalization of super profit method, work out the value of the goodwill of the firm. Now in this question, we will have to first calculate super profit and then apply the formula to get goodwill. First, we will have to calculate super profit, and formula for super profit is actual average profit minus normal profit. Means how much the firm is earning beyond normal profit. So when we have to look into this formula, normal profit is to be calculated. So normal profit is equal to capital employed into rate of return. So we have all these information given in the question. Capital employed is rupees 2 lakh and rate of return is given 10%. So in such type of business, normal return is 10% on capital invested. In our case, it is 20,000 rupees. But average profit given in the question is rupees 30,000. So we are earning more than the market. Market is making 10% return on the investment, whereas we are making beyond 10%. So the difference between the average profit we have earned and the normal profit which the market is earning, that is super profit. So super profit is equal to 30,000 minus 20,000, which is equal to rupees 10,000. Now based on this super profit, because the business is making extra profit or profit more than normal profit because of some goodwill, and therefore goodwill can be calculated based on super profit. Fine. So super goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 divided by rate. This is how we capitalize super profit. And in our case, super profit is 10,000 and rate is 10%. So just when you calculate, you get goodwill rupees 1 lakh. That's the answer. Now let us see question number 34. Rajan and Rajani are partners in a firm. Their capitals were Rajan rupees 3 lakh and Rajani rupees 2 lakh. During the year ended 31st March 2023, the firm earned a profit of rupees 1,50,000. So this is the profit which the firm has made. Calculate the value of goodwill of the firm by capitalization of super profit, assuming the normal rate of return is 20%. So the market is making 20% return on investment. And in our case, where the capital invested is how much? 3 lakh plus 2 lakh, 5 lakh. 5 lakhs 20% is 1 lakh. Fine, but the firm has made 1,50,000. So orally you can calculate that super profit is 1,50,000 minus 1 lakh, which is 50,000. And we just have to capitalize this. Let us see the solution. Solution 34, capital employed. Is the capital of both the partners, Raja rupees 3 lakh and Rajani rupees 2 lakh. Fine. So capital invested in the business is 5 lakh. And normal rate of return is 20% as given in the question. So normal profit, normally this firm will make a profit of how much? 5 lakhs 20%, which is equal to, when you calculate this, you will get 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the normal profit, expected profit, because the market is making 20% return. But average profit which is earned, average profit earned by the business is how much? Rupees 1,50,000, which is more than this normal profit. So super profit is equal to rupees 1,50,000 minus 1 lakh. That is normal profit and this is average profit. So super profit is 50,000. Now we will capitalize this super profit to calculate goodwill. So how do we capitalize? It is super profit into 100 divided by rate. When you apply this, super profit is 50,000 into 100 divided by 20. So when you cancel this, it is 5 times. So 50,000 multiplied by 5 is rupees 2,50,000. So this is our answer. Now let us see question number 35. Average profit of GS and company is rupees 50,000 per year. Average capital employed in the business is rupees 3 lakh. If the normal rate of return on capital employed is 10%, calculate goodwill of the firm by super profit method at 3 years purchase and capitalization of super profit method. So solution 35 we will see. First we will calculate normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed, which is 3 lakh rupees given in the question, first line, and rate of return is 10%. So normal profit is how much? 30,000 rupees. And actual profit, actual average profit is 50,000 rupees. So this 50,000 is more than 30,000, therefore we get super profit. Super profit is the difference between actually earned profit and the normal profit, which is 20,000 rupees. Now, as per the first part of the question, we have to calculate goodwill based on super profit at 3 years purchase. So goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by 3. 3 years purchase means the same super profit the firm is expecting in coming 3 years also. Fine. In every 3 years, next 3 years, every year, they will make a super profit of 20,000 rupees. Based on this, goodwill is calculated. So 20,000 multiplied by 3, which is equal to rupees 60,000. And in second case, we have to capitalize this super profit. So goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by 100 divided by rate. So when you apply this, super profit is 20,000 rupees multiplied by 100 divided by rate of return is 10%, so divided by 10. When you cancel this, you get rupees 2 lakh as goodwill. So in both these cases, valuation of goodwill will be different. Here also we get a different amount. Here is also a different amount. Now let us see question number 36. A business has earned average profit of rupees 8 lakh during the last few years and normal rate of return in similar business is 10%. Find the value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit method and super profit method if goodwill is valued at 3 years purchase of super profit. The assets of the business were rupees 80 lakh and its external liabilities are rupees 14 lakh 40,000. So from here we will get capital employed. Let us see the solution. In order to calculate super profit, we have to first calculate normal profit, for which capital employed is required. So capital employed is equal to total assets minus outside liabilities. Fine. And in our question, total assets are given rupees 80 lakh and outsiders liabilities is rupees 14 lakh 40,000. When you subtract this, you get an amount 65 lakh 60,000. Now, and a rate of return is how much? 10%. So normal profit. Normal profit is the profit which the market is making on their investment. So capital employed is 65 lakh 60,000 and rate of return is 10%. So in this case, normally this firm was supposed to make rupees 6 lakh 56,000 as their normal profit. But their actual average profit which the firm has made is rupees 8 lakh, which is more than the normal profit. So here emerges super profit. So super profit is what? Actual profit minus normal profit. So 8 lakh minus 6 lakh 56,000, which is rupees 1 lakh 44,000. Now, in the first part of the question, what is asked is to capitalize the super profit. So, goodwill by capitalization. Goodwill by capitalization of super profit. So, goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 divided by rate. This is the formula we have to use. And here super profit is 1,44,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 10. So 10 will be eliminated and we get goodwill 14,40,000. So this is our answer for the first part of the question. And in the second part of the question, we have to calculate goodwill super profit at 3 years purchase. Means the firm is expecting this same super profit for the coming 3 years also. And our super profit is rupees 1,44,000. Just multiply it by 3. You get rupees 4,32,000 as goodwill. So this is our answer. Now let us see the last question in this chapter. From the following information, calculate value of goodwill of the firm. We have to calculate goodwill by 4 different ways. First, by at 3 years purchase of average profit. Second, at 3 years purchase of super profit. Third, on the basis of capitalization of super profit. And fourth, on the basis of capitalization of average profit. Fine, this question is actually summing up the entire chapter in one question. Information given is average capital employed is rupees 6 lakh. Net profit or loss of the firm for the last 3 years ended are 31st March 2023 rupees 2 lakh, 31st March 2022 rupees 1 lakh 80,000 and 31st March 2021 rupees 1 lakh 60,000. Normal rate of return in similar business is 10%. Remuneration of rupees 1 lakh to partners to be taken as charge against profit. Now, one should understand here is that remuneration to partners is appropriation of profit. It is not a charge against profit. But because in this question it is written here directly that it is to be treated as a charge against profit. So all these are not our net profits, because now we have to subtract this remuneration to get the actual net profit of these years as per the question. Point E, assets of the firm excluding goodwill, fictitious assets and non-trade investments is rupees 7 lakh, whereas partners capital is rupees 6 lakh and outsiders liability is rupees 1 lakh. Now this information will be used for calculating capital employed. Let us see the solution. So first case, goodwill at 3 years purchase of average profit. So let us calculate average profit. So 3 years profit is given to us, and from this 3 years profit we have to subtract partners remuneration every year for each year, because it is a charge against profit as stated in the question. So our average profit is now how much? Rupees 2,40,000 divided by 3, which is equal to rupees 80,000. Now goodwill at 3 years purchase of average profit. Goodwill is equal to average profit rupees 80,000 multiplied by 3. So goodwill is rupees 2,40,000. This is the answer for the first part of the question. Now in the second part of the question, it is asked to calculate goodwill at 3 years purchase of super profit. For this, let us calculate capital employed first is equal to total assets minus outside liabilities. And total assets is rupees 7 lakh in the question. And in the last statement in the question, it is written outsiders liability is rupees 1 lakh. So our capital employed is rupees 6 lakh. Rate of return is given in the question as 10%. So our normal profit will be 10% of capital employed, which is 6 lakhs 10%. So our normal profit is rupees 60,000, 10%. And our average profit as we have calculated in the first part of the question is rupees 80,000. So average profit is more than the normal profit. So here comes super profit, which is the difference between average profit 80,000 minus normal profit rupees 60,000 and super profit is 20,000 rupees. Now as asked in the question, 3 years purchase of super profit. Therefore goodwill is equal to super profit rupees 20,000 multiplied by 3, that is equal to rupees 60,000. So this is the amount of goodwill for the second part of the question. Now in the third part of the question, we have to calculate by capitalization of super profit. So here we have calculated super profit, and now we will capitalize it to calculate goodwill. So what is the formula for this? Goodwill will be equal to super profit into 100 divided by rate, and we know that the rate is 10%. So here super profit 20,000 multiplied by 100 divided by rate 10. So in the third part of the question, goodwill calculated is rupees 2 lakh. When you treat this, you get 2 lakh as the answer. Now in the fourth part of the question, goodwill is to be calculated by capitalization of average profit. We have already calculated average profit in the first part. Average profit we have calculated in the first part of the question, and that is rupees 80,000. Now we have to capitalize this. So capitalized average profit will be how much? 80,000 into 100 divided by rate. Rate here is 10%, therefore 10 divided by 10. So 8 lakh rupees. 8 lakh rupees is the capitalized average profit. It means in order to earn 80,000 rupees average profit by the firm was supposed to invest rupees 8 lakh. But actually, the actual capital employed in the firm is capital employed. Capital employed in the firm is how much? 6 lakh rupees. This also we have calculated in the second part of the question. 6 lakh is the capital employed, and capitalization, when we capitalized average profit, the capital is 8 lakh. Now the difference between this is 2 lakh, and this is our Goodwill. It means that without investing rupees 8 lakh, the firm has made a profit of rupees 80,000. Fine. So the difference between the required capital and the actual capital is the goodwill of the firm. So this is our answer. I hope that you have watched the full video and understood the concept very well. In case you are having any doubt, then please put it in the comment section. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing and sharing this channel. Thank you.